They are the words no one wants to hear. You have cancer. A recent report from the American Cancer Society shows that cancer is the fourth leading cause of death for men and women between the ages of 20 to 39. The Journal of the American Medical Association published a similar study on early onset cancers in people under the age of 50. In Health Source 10, this look beyond the studies to a real life story of diagnosis, treatment, and survival. Bailey Mast is a breast cancer survivor.
I was diagnosed in July of 2021 at the age of 23.
What kind of cancer?
Invasive ductal carcinoma.
Mast, who is also a neonatal intensive care unit nurse, says she was blindsided, then blown away when she learned that hers was a survivor fight for two.
My initial thought, even as a nurse, was I either have to choose between carrying out the pregnancy or fighting my cancer. Dr. Harvey was the first person that we called, and she informed me that you can do treatment, and luckily I caught my cancer very early.
Early stage diagnosis leads to good prognosis.
Ohio Health breast cancer surgeon Deepa Harvey led Mast's treatment. She says awareness is essential for young women in their 20s and 30s as they don't typically get screening mammograms.
That is the message today. Be aware of your family history, know your breasts, know your breast density, talk to your doctor, see if you're a candidate for breast cancer risk assessment, which starts at age 25.
Mast underwent a unilateral mastectomy and chemotherapy. Mother and son made that difficult journey together under careful monitoring.
I was definitely just worried about his health the entire time, trusting my care team that he's going to be okay, and just trusting the power of prayer and that I was going to make it through too. And he was the reason that I think I fought so hard. I can't imagine the journey without him now. And when we talk about early onset cancer, we're talking about colorectal, pancreas, head and neck, kidney, even reproductive cancers, and cancers of the breast. These are all of those early onset cancers that the American Cancer Society and the American Medical Association are reporting. Bailey's best advice, I'm calling it Bailey's best, especially for young adults, is to get familiar with your body and to remember that you are your best advocate. And if you think something's wrong, push to get answers.